What's up, YouTube? Casey here with Casey and Sons Cards. Got a hobby break of Gypsy Queen, and after this break, I will do a retail break with a blaster, a fat pack, and a value box. Also, one of the things that was my goal before I broke this year's Gypsy Queen was to find something to put the minis in. I've got the sleeves and the top loaders, but I was looking for some storage type box. I've got this. It says it holds 50 of the minis in the top loaders. So I don't know how many it holds without. It's pretty sturdy, although it's just a T-shaped piece of plastic in here, and the cards sit on the T and keep the little divider up there. So not bad. I think they're like $6. I'll put the link in off eBay where I got them. So if you want them, go ahead and order them, and good luck to you. It was something that I was searching for a way to keep those minis, and I found it. So we're going to start with the box topper, the 3 chrome cards. This will be my first look at 2020 Gypsy Queen. Nothing spectacular about the backs, pretty much standard. Shohei Ohtani. And Albies. So I did watch a video on a break. I think it was Up North Collectors. So this is a blue parallel of Merrifield. And one of the things they mentioned on there, it's a little bit different this year with the last name, first name, and then position. So let's see, this one is numbered out of 150, 93 out of 150. So that's our first numbered card. On card autos, I don't know anywhere in here that it says the odds. There are some odds in there. Right there. The other side is not. It's just talking about stuff. So 2 autos per box on average. And let's get into it. I'm not even sure how many, can't remember how many packs were in here. I don't know. We'll just get ripping. And I will do, we'll post the retail break after this one. And we'll see what we come up with. All right, Albies. Agrizal, rookie. Scherzer. Rizzo. And then our fortune teller, Chavez. Not numbered. Castro, Belfinger, and Rue. And these are the backs. I'm going to have to check out all the backs of these because they do have the bazooka back as a variation. Can't remember reading the odds. We may get one in here. I'm not sure, but first auto coming up, maybe Hilliard rookie card. So this is a first auto, and it is on card. Wilt Smith. All right, that was pretty quick getting to that. I'll go back and do a recap of the big hits after after we get done. And I will probably forget to look at the backs of all these until after the video. Actually, I'll probably forget until I'm sorting. And when I'm putting the set together and I see the bazooka back, I'll be like, oh yeah, that's right. Sanchez, Yelich, Means, May, rookie. Ottaviano, Lee Mahelu, Kingery, and Gigliotto, or Giolito. So far, no bazooka backs. And I don't know, again, all the parallels of this one. I don't think they changed the code this year. I know in years past they had changed the code down at the bottom for variations, but I don't think they did this time. There's a Munoz rookie, Nola rookie. There's a no nameplate, and that is Byron Buxton. So that is one variation that I do know. Keller, La Stella, and Crawford. I don't know if there's a standard amount of variations they put in each box. I don't know if should have looked on. Usually DA Card World has real good stats about the product. So here's an insert. It is a Turret of the Diamond, Yelich, and another rookie of Arizona, and Cole. Running through these real quick here. Nothing in this one that I could see. So I just heard today they're talking about maybe extending the season into, November or December, playing in a World Series in a neutral site. It's crazy what we're going through right now. But they are talking about it coming back, and the players are wanting to play. So hopefully later on this year, this thing will be behind us and we'll get back to some semblance of normal. Fortune Teller, Votto, Chavez, and Ingles. No bazooka back so far. So I hope everyone is staying safe out there and stick together through this tough time. Devers, Lampert, Trout, Glasnow, Yates, Merrifield, Jimenez, and Puck. And I thought I actually thought the Gypsy Queens had minis in them, in every pack. But that was Allen and Ginter, so maybe I am wrong. Well, for those that are wondering, these will fit the fortune teller cards as well. So, but I really thought Gypsy Queen. Oh, we got minis out of there. Oh well. Boba rookie. I will sleeve these up after the video. Still looking for our second auto. Kcandsonscards@gmail.com is our email address. If you see something you like and it's not listed on my eBay store, give me a heads up and send me an email, and we'll see what we can do. Starling, DeGrom, and it looks like we have our next auto, or maybe not. Maybe it's a blue. Blackman and Dozier, and I don't think any of these are. So it is just a variation. Blue. I don't think these are. No, I am wrong. These are numbered. Okay. So 250. It's 61 out of 250 for the blue. Yeah, I guess it was the no-name plates that weren't numbered. Acuna, Dahl, Syndergaard, Mazzari, D'Arnaud, Martique, Olsen, Polanco. It amazes me that they can put the cards in all in the same order in this set. You know, some of the other sets or packs I've opened, cards are every which way. All right, Bradley rookie. Got another fortune teller in here. Yep. Meadows, Davis rookie, Pujols, and Dunn rookie. And I think the fortune tellers are every 4 packs, maybe. Schwarber, Judge, Eshelman rookie, Yamamoto rookie, Pham, Sanchez, Hader, and Freeman. Haven't seen any logo swaps either, but alright, let me move these up here. Almost 2/3 of the way done. We're still looking for our second auto. Springer, Reyes, Cruz, Walker, Dixon, Duggar rookie, Betts, and Seager. Arrieta, Benintendi, Davis, Morjon rookie. We have Terror to the Diamond with Chris Bryant. And I forgot where I was at. Smith and Haniger. And no. There. So thought we'd get a few more, at least a couple more variations. But I'm not, unless I'm missing them. Rookie card, Thase, Newman, Gray, Garcia rookie. There's Bazooka back. All right, so these are the backs. Look actually pretty cool. And it's Newman. So that's another one of our variations. We'll do the quick recap after this and show all the ones we caught. Nunez rookie, Luzardo rookie, Alzolay rookie, all right. Well, let me know if you saw a variation I missed in the comments below. C Valet rookie, Cease rookie, Diaz rookie, and then this was backwards. Okay, Gypsy Queen logo swap. It is not numbered. So that is 3 variations and 1 serial numbered card so far. All right, McKay rookie. Fraley rookie. So that was good that card was backwards. It tells me that I might not have missed anything else, although I'll have to look at, when I look at the video again, I don't think the nameplate one was backwards, or maybe it was. Burke rookie. Here's a black and white. Dubon rookie. Murphy rookie. It is numbered 250. So we have another numbered card. All right, 4 more packs left. We're still looking for the second auto. Two or three variations, I think, out of here so far, and 2 numbered cards. Baez rookie, and there's our second auto. Rodriguez, Martinez, and Robert rookie. So I'm going to assume that none of these will be a bazooka back with the auto in there. Our auto is Muncie, and it is a blue. So numbered to 150 or 250? Nope, numbered to 99. Number 87 out of 99. The other blue one we had was not an auto, but it was numbered to 250. So I'm not sure what the different color blues mean. So we'll take a recap of that. Just 3 more packs left, and we'll do a quick recap. Actually, I like the design this year. Not as new. Noose, I believe, rookie. Tadius. I like the design this year better than I did last year, but I still think 2018 was probably my favorite. I don't know, maybe it's because I had a few good hits out of Gypsy Queen, and I'd just come right back into collecting. Rodriguez rookie, another fortune teller, So we're holding probably about 1 in 4 packs, 1 in 5 packs, something like that. I don't know, I definitely like this design better than last year. I did not like last year's design all that much. I think I still have a couple unopened boxes just because I didn't like the design. The Joker, Bregman, another Terror to the Diamond. And then Ravello rookie. And that is it. So we got our 4 fortune teller inserts. We have our 3 Terror to the Diamond. I really thought we got more inserts last year. Could be me, but that was just a logo swap. So logo swap, not numbered. The Gypsy Queen up there. Bo Bichette rookie, no nameplate, missing nameplate there. That is not numbered. And Newman, the bazooka back. So none of those were numbered. 4 variations. And then our 2 cards we had that were numbered, that were not autos. Rodriguez black and white was numbered out of 50. And then Chew blue out of 250. And then our chrome cards, we got our box toppers, LBs, and Otani, which are good names. And Merrifield, which was numbered also to 150. And then our 2 autos. First one's just a base auto of Smith. And then the last one was an auto of Muncy that was numbered to 99. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Happy collecting. Let me know what you think of this year's Gypsy Queen in the comments below. Check out our other videos. Let us know what you want to see broken in the comments below. We hope you like and subscribe to us. Again, I'll put the link to the tobacco card box in the description. And stay safe, everyone, and happy collecting.